Hey Will, how's it going? This is Jesus with Triumph Digital Media and Marketing. I just wanted to reach out to you and kind of show you exactly what I'm seeing on my end. I had reached out to you about maybe getting your business out there, and you had responded with knowing that maybe this is where the Lord wants you to go, and I want to help you get there. We both serve an amazing God, and I want to be a funnel for your business to be making some good money so that you can provide for your family and actually start making money for something that I can see that you enjoy doing. You're using Facebook to market your catering services. I know that you recently did a catering service for a big thing out in Farmington, right there by Sunray. I wasn't there personally, but my mother-in-law was, and she completely enjoyed your food. Okay, so real quick, this video is just going to break down exactly what I do and how I think we can get your business up and running online, so you can get some more clients. Okay, so you can get some more businesses to serve, to book some more parties, right? To book some more events. This information will be specifically catered to you and what you do. Okay, so the three things I'm going to talk to you about today are content. We're going to talk about backlinks, and then lastly, we're going to talk about citations. Okay, so first and foremost, we're going to take a look at your competitors here, and you've got Bobby's Homestyle Catering, you've got Special Touch Catering, and Gourmet Catering to go. But this is a map pack. We'll talk about this later. If I go down here, the first one here is Special Touch Catering. Okay, so if I'm going to click here at Special Touch Catering. These guys are based out of Albuquerque. Now, as you can see, they've got some words. They've got quite a few words. I don't think it's anywhere near the recommended amount. Excuse me. So in order to be an authoritative website, Google wants you to have at least 15 to 2,000 words on your website, okay? And or on your homepage, I should say. It would give you more power. It would give you more relevancy towards Google, right? To pulling up the page, to answering the question that the people that are looking for these services have. So as you can see here, as I typed into Google, I typed in catering services, Albuquerque, New Mexico. So considering you don't have a website, obviously it didn't show up in the map pack or down here, right, in the organic section. And I gotta be honest with you, not very many people go to the second tab here in the organic section. So this is where you want to be here. All right, scrolling down. The closer you are to the top, the better you are getting found. This is obviously where you want to be too in the map pack, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so content. Google wants to ensure that you have keywords, and keywords would be the one that I just typed in here. They're buyer intent keywords that people search on a normal basis, so that they can make a purchase, right? So catering services, Albuquerque, New Mexico is something that people would type in because they're ready to pay. They're ready to get serviced by catering companies. So Google, whenever you're building out your website, say if you did want a website, you would want 1,500 to 2,000 keywords with 15 to 2,000 words with relevant keywords on your website, like catering services Albuquerque, New Mexico, or NM, right? Or catering Albuquerque, catering Albuquerque, NM, right? So we're gonna kind of jump into your guys your competition's website here. Okay, so I have it here. I'm gonna pull it up really quick, and then I'm going to go to my tool here. This tool here is called Ahrefs, right? So we're gonna talk about backlinks and keywords. We'll go through his keywords and we'll see what he's using. But so backlinks are, or I should say referring domains first and foremost, are basically other websites that are pushing traffic towards your website, okay? And backlinks are just how many times they're doing that, okay? So if this guy has 44 other websites that are pushing traffic that are referring to him, right, saying like basically it's a popularity contest. These guys are saying like, yeah, this guy is good to go. He's a caterer. He does what he says he's going to do, stuff like that. And this is how many times they're doing it on all these 44 websites. Okay. Now, if we take a look at his keywords, so as I said, this is Ahrefs. This is a tool that I use, but there are plenty of other tools that you can use out there that are completely free. Just use keyword researcher, free. Just type those things in on Google and you can see exactly what I'm seeing. Okay, considering I'm in the industry, I am paying for this tool. Okay, so right off the bat, Catering, Albuquerque, New Mexico. You see that 400 people, the volume, this means 400 people are searching for catering per month. Okay, 400 people are searching for catering in Albuquerque per month. And look right here, Albuquerque catering, right? They're just switching it up right here, 250. So these are definitely some keywords that you want to include in the website if you're looking to build that. If you're looking to get more clients, you would definitely want to include these keywords. Okay, so I'm going to go back over here because I want to show you something. Okay, I'm going to show you how much this is valued at. Okay, so they're getting pretty good amount of people visiting their website per month, 382. Okay, potential clients. That's how many people are visiting. Okay, give or take, right? This is a tool, so it has the tendency to be wrong sometimes. So give or take, right? 382 people are visiting their website per month, which is valued at about $727. Like, can you imagine that amount of money into your pocket from 382 people, potential clients? Like, I mean, this is huge, right? This would be huge for you. This would be huge for your family. I mean, this is great. That means that there's actually people that are wanting, you know, catering services. So we're going to the last thing I want to talk to you about are citations. Okay, so I'm going to go back here. All right, so citations. So the way we get here in this map pack is by having more citations than your competitors. Okay, now citations are just anywhere that you can find your business name, your address, phone number, and website on a directory. Okay, and a directory is like white pages, you've got yellow pages, you've got Yelp. There's a ton others, right, that I obviously can't say right off the bat, but there are a ton of other directories where your business can be seen, right? So as long as you have more citations than your competitors, then you'd be able to take this #1 spot, because this is where all the traffic goes to. I don't know if you're like me, but if I'm searching for something here in Farmington where I'm at, right, I'm usually just going to go to the first one here in this box, right? I'm not going to bother to go all the way down here and click the second page, third page to look to see for a solution to my problem, right? So then I would recommend taking everything that I've shown you, everything that I've told you, right, is first and foremost, obviously getting the website, being able to put 15 to 2,000 relevant words and relevant keywords in there. As I was telling you, catering services Albuquerque, catering Albuquerque, you know, things like that. And then getting those backlinks, right? So if those backlinks are good enough to rank your competitors up here in the second spot, well, then they're good enough to rank you. Okay, so we would just you would just have to go in there and see who they're using, and you would just use it on your own website. Okay, and then lastly is citations, making sure that your business can be found in more directories than your competitors. Okay, and you're probably wondering, you know, where to go from here. Well, you can definitely do what I'm telling you to do. You know, build a website on your own. You know, doing all the research, all the work to ensure that you can get up here to this #1 spot, so that you can start generating some good income from this. Or if you're needing help with it, you know, you could definitely reach out to me, and I can see what I can do to help you. Okay, as promised. I went on ahead and made this video for you so that you can kind of see what I'm seeing on my end. Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate you so much, and I hope that this video was informative for you. Have a good day.